Let me guess. You got your outfit laid out, huh? You got the cologne already getting ready to get sprayed on, your makeup done, and your playlist loaded up so you can get out there and get to that party or that club tonight. Like it's about to change your life. Let me ask you something real quick. Is this night pleasure? Or is this night disguised as pain with a better lighting? I ask you because every Saturday night, the same decision shows up, but just dressed differently. And there's a few different ways that Saturday nights can be dressed. Purpose can be dressed as comfort. Progress can be dressed as an escape. And pain can be dressed as regret. You see, pleasure never tells you the full price. It just whispers, you deserve this. While purpose whispers, you gotta earn this. Think about that. You deserve this, you gotta earn this. Here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. While you're out there spending your money, your energy, and your time, somebody else your age is out there building discipline, stacking up their skills, and buying back their future. Remember, you have to work for the future that people dream and post about. I'm not saying that you can't have fun, right? I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is don't let fun keep you tired, broke, behind, and bitter. Because that's what happens to people. So I need you to remember, progress doesn't just party, okay? Progress is consistency, discipline, and pain. This is how the focus stay prepared. So before you walk out the door tonight, I want you to ask yourself, is this night celebration that's moving you forward towards your goal? Or is this pleasure that's keeping you entertained and in the same place you was at last weekend? I got a quote for you as I close this out. And it goes like this. Pleasure numbs the pain of today, while purpose eliminates the pain of tomorrow. So remember to choose purpose over pleasure. Because when you do that, that is when you truly level up and get to the next level. Once again, stay tuned. I'll see you next Saturday. And like I always like to say, have a great weekend.
He's the one singing the song.